welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, my hair is long, but that's fun. And today, I was like, maybe I should move my fidget toys somewhere else. Like in here. I really don't know, guys. I don't think, like, I just don't know. Like, seriously, I don't know. This is what it looks like so far. I haven't really put anything in it. I'm going to put my puppets down first, then I might put stuff in the store. The store has books and stuff, but I don't know. So, yeah, that's my fidget door. You're going to watch me put the stuff in it. It's going to be a little bit. Okay, that's not a good. This is bad. No, that doesn't either. I got all my pillows right here, so it's kind of messy. So I gotta get all. I'm getting all my like poppity stuff. I guess you could say poppity stuff. And I'm gonna put them all. Now we're gonna see how that goes. Okay, I'm also gonna put my peas in the pod by the poppity stuff because I mean you do like pop the them. Some people feel like, nah, but I think so. It's fine, you know. We're gonna put my top pop tubes in there, and my snapper, and my poppings. Where is it? Oh, and I'm gonna show you all my new fidgets that I got. So I got this really cool circle puppet. It's actually a really pretty color. It looks just white, but it's really shiny. See, and then I got an actual DNA ball. And then this one, it's really weird because it's a mini small puppet. So I think that's really cool. Yes, it's really cool. Oh my gosh, my drawer already looks so clean because I really love puppets. So, yeah. Where's my simple jibble? Come on, see him? Oh, I found you. He's in the pond. I'm also going to put my infinity cube in there because infinity cubes don't really have a collection, I guess. Well, I only have 2 infinity cubes. Like, you could have an infinity cube collection. So I'm just going to put it in. I got so many mini pop tubes. You know, my pop tubes just keep growing, and growing. Simple puppet. Okay, so got these, and then got my poppets, got my infinity cube. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put all my poppets, my circle poppets in one stand. And then I'll put the other poppets on. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. Oh my gosh, that's the dogs. The clays of dogs. And we're just going to stack all of the weird sized poppets. Actual poppets, not simple dimples and stuff. I'm gonna take my infinity cubes and just lay them right between this crack. You don't know what I'm talking about, but there's a little crack between both of the puppies. I was looking at that cool car. And my big pop tube's also gonna go in that little crack. And then my I was just playing with it because why not? Okay, now I'm gonna put these in here. I'm gonna put them down low because why not? My simple dimples. Then my snapper and mini poppets. you squeeze really hard and then you have to pull it apart. It makes a really loud noise. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And then my peas in the pod. I think that's all we got for this category. We're going to also add my squishy balls in there if we have enough room. I think we do. Okay, and we're also going to be adding in my fidget spinner because it's like a ball. We're also going to be adding my other fidget spinner. And we're going to be adding squishy things like monkey noodles and all that stuff. I don't know if it's going to fit. We're going to see. We are going to see. Hoops. Hoops. I just don't know. Hoops. 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 I'm not throwing my emojis. Ready? Hoops. Hoops. Got an emoji. Hoops. And then got my monkey noodles. And big fat monkey noodles. Seriously? Come on. Monkey noodle. Monkey noodle. There's this one. I forgot this other pop too. That's here. It's gonna be a cool thing, yeah. Okay, so these are all the fidget balls that I got. Oh, also all of these. And then my emojis. Then I also got more little, I call them little ramen noodles. I know ramen noodles aren't actually this small, but too bad. Yeah. We might actually have to do a part 2 of this video. It's kind of sitting out of dome because it's not really sad, but like, so these are all the squishy things that I got. Yes, I got one. I think I got more, but no more. Forgot to put this other piece in the pot. Got 3 peas in the pot, and peas in the pot are not my favorite things. So I'm putting all these, I call them sticky balls, but or sticky gobbles, what other people use, or air gobbles. Put all of these in there. That's not enough room, I don't think. And I'm putting actually my globbles in my milk ball, and then this. Where's my pink needle? Because it's still in there. Yes, it is. And my hacky sack. Okay, so I'm putting all these together. They're all gonna be smushed. That's fine. Okay, then like my Orbeez ball slash DNA ball slash whatever the rest that I have. Let's just do that. The rest ball slash hacky sack squishes that I have. I don't really like squishes that much, so that's why I don't have a lot. Then all my monkey noodles. Let's see how much we got. So I got several ginormous monkey noodles. So there's actually lots of different sizes. So I get a really long one, this really long one, and this one that's almost reaches the bottom of that. And then I got, let's see, that's the super size. Then I got this one. Here, I'm just going to get a different color in this because you can't really see. And then I got this one. Stop. Then I got these. So I do got lots of sizes. And I tied a knot in one of them. There you go. You can always tie knots and get them out in monkey noodles, I'm pretty sure, because like they're not like actual tying thingy jigs. Okay. Then we are gonna put my emojis all together. And then my two fidget spinners all together. Together. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Crazy. I think I might actually take all of that out and destroy it. Let's see what it will look like. If I do that. I got a lot of books, actually. Okay, we're gonna have to do a part 2 on this. So yeah. Yeah, bye.